Say hello to the new Interactive Classic, a high-performing interactive display created for effortless meeting and learning spaces. An improved user interface and toolbar for a more intuitive experience. Now with USB-C, write, tap, draw, multi-touch up to 20 for better collaboration. Connect to third-party solutions for video conferencing for a more inclusive hybrid meeting and classroom. Packed full of new tools and apps, available via the CommBox store. Powerful front-facing speakers means everything you do sounds great. Use the software and hardware you know and love, and what happens on your device can easily be shared on your screen. Our latest V3X is next level innovation.